Well, I just took my grinder real slow, didn't go too fast, but grind all them little studs that's still sticking up off. Got them down just below the surface. That way I can fill them up. Yeah, after that I took my DA. It's 180. Feathered everything out good. Got it all good and smooth. Now all I gotta do is just fill in these dark spots with some filler. Wherever. That curve up them little staple studs. They were to be buried under the body filler just a hair. Block it out, prime it. Well, I got it all primed and guide coated. Guess it's time to block. Find them. There it is. Take you some tape. Sand up to that now. You can just keep sanding till all these little dark spots are gone. Get it good straight, good sharp line. You still see where it's dark. You still need sanding. Just work until it's all flat. You'll be in pretty good shape. Won't look bad at all. Always need a guide coat, especially when you can't see. I got that down. Well, that looks really good for a cheaper car. I mean, it ain't the highest quality, but it is quality. If you really want it right, you just keep sanding this thing down, blocking it, expanding. So you just start to see you're going through either the metal or the body filler, whatever's underneath it. That way you've got this stuff really paper thin. After you get the whole panel done that you fixed, put a couple more coats of primer surfacer over it, block her down again. Then you'll have a nice straight panel. On these cheaper cars, I only do it once. This is 150. I'll go back and guide coat this now. Guide coat. Like this. Then I'll just sand that down to 400. Get it good and smooth. Go ahead and seal it. Base coat, clear coat. It's done. Other than buffing it out if you want to. If you really want it slick, straight, like for a show car, or something you really want good, more expensive car, like I said, flatten this down to where you're just starting to see you're going through. That way it's as thin as possible. Then you recoat it. You're not going to have no big thick buildup of primer over your bodywork. It'll look good forever. You let it cure out good before you buff it. Yeah, it is if you use good paint. That's all blocked. Sand it down now. Got it sanded down to 400. That'll do the trick. Go ahead and shoot the clear coat over to the other end of the bumper. At least all the bumper cover looks the same. No blend area in it. Should look pretty good. Finish masking it off. Kind of wet right now too. Just better let that dry. Base coat is on. Looks like we're going to get a pretty good match for a change. There it is. Not too bad for a quickie. No more dent. Not sure I need to buff it or not. It may come closer to matching the way it is. Whole car wasn't too perfect. It's not too bad. Now there it is. No more cracks. Paint even matched. What a miracle. Got a little buffing to do. A couple pieces of trash to get out. Other than that, color looks good. That'll work. Not bad for a quickie. And there it is. It's all color sanded. Looks good and straight. Yeah, time to buff. Yeah, first, I guess, I'll go ahead and put the door handle on. Got it in. Yeah, goes that way. That'll work. Guess I better do that first. Phew, it's off early in the morning to be starting to work. Let's see. Yeah, it's 5 minutes after 11. Yeah, sometimes you got to get with it early. Clean these up. Can't see through dirt. Gotta have your glasses when you get old. Yeah, let's get this door panel off. Hang right there. Yeah. it's on. I just screw it from the backside. Yeah, one of them's easy. The other one's gonna be real fun. A lot of fun. It's up in there. Everything's in the way. Yep, I'm gonna try this. Yeah, I think I found a better way. Pull that dude off and you got a clear shot to it through there now. We can get it done now. Probably still need magnets to get it started. Stick to everything. Get in there. Yep. Ain't gonna work either. Yeah. We'll try something else. Gotta be a way. Yeah. Might. Nothing to it. Now to see if it works. Can't work no better than that. Taking these little, that'll do it. The silicone fixed it. Just dry. There you go. There's one more test. Does it open from the inside? It does. It worked, didn't it, Luke? We fixed another one. Well, let's move on to the next. Well, I think I'll do the rest tomorrow. I've been at work since about 11 o'clock this morning. And it's 2:10 now. Time for me to quit. I'll see you tomorrow. is, all buffed. Looks pretty good. No more crack. Split bumper. Turned out real good. I didn't tell you, you'd never know it. That right, Luke? Luke says it looks good. Matched real good. Couldn't ask for it to match any better. Almost looks too good for this car. Well, spruce rate. The trick is, try to match the other panels, the old panels. If they look good, you'll have to do a better job. But if they're not too good, well, you just try to match them best you can. But that'll do the trick. I think it looks fine. We still sell the car cheap. Everybody be happy. Oh, there's the parts car. I'll have to rob this piece of chrome off of it now. The little emblem goes here. Other than that, I didn't use any parts. That's good. I still got my parts for the next project that comes along. Yeah. Won't be long now. It's gonna be a little while. We're getting ready to go to the back of the mountains for a week. So I guess I'll have to take off. Which I don't mind that. Yeah. Got a spot right there. I got the car looking so good now, I'm gonna wind up having to paint the hood. It wouldn't surprise me a bit. Yeah. We may get it done before I head to the mountains. It may not. So anyway, it'll be here when I get back. Yeah, we'll see you on the next one.